So today we're doing division, but we're going to use a number line. So we start off with 10 divided by 2, and we're going to find the quotient. So the first number, the dividend, tells us where to begin. So we start with 10. The divisor tells us to subtract by 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 2 is going to be 2. And 2 minus 2 is 0. When I get to 0, I'm done. Now I count my subtractions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I subtracted 5 times, so my quotient is 5. Another problem. 18 divided by 3. My dividend is 18, and my divisor is 3. So I'm going to start with 18. And I'm going to subtract 3 every time until I get to 0. 18 minus 3 is 15. 15 minus 3 is going to be 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus 3 is going to be 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. And 3 minus 3, 0. So I know I'm finished. Now I count my subtractions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Quotient is 6. Now remember, you can always check your answers by multiplying. 3 times 6 is 18, so I know that's correct. 2 times 5 is 10, so I know that's correct. Okay, one more problem. 27 divided by 9. So I start with 27, so that's my dividend. And every time I'm going to subtract 9. 27 minus 9 is going to be 18. 18 minus 9, that's going to be 9. And 9 minus 9, 0. So I subtracted 1, 2, 3 times. So 27 divided by 9, our quotient will be 3. Okay, now try the next two by yourselves.